Wow, wow. Take a look at this. Beautiful A5 Wagyu and bluefin tuna toro. O-Toro, actually. Hiro-san,
Yes.
how are you?
Very good afternoon.
What a good afternoon today, isn't it? You guys just take a look at this. If you guys have never had this beautiful Japanese A5 Wagyu from Japan, you have no idea what you're missing. So much marbling in this. This is something you must try once in your life. So much marbling in between the meat. This is actually from a piece of ribeye. And versus beautiful bluefin O-Toro. Take a look at all this. This is also beautiful. Hiro-san, which are you? Are you a big sea fan or are you a land fan?
It's very hard to choose one, but I like both.
You like both, right?
Sea, ocean side, and from the land, both is nice. This one.
Okay, let me ask you it this way. If you have to have your last meal on Earth and someone gives you the choice, choose this piece of tuna O-Toro as your last meal, or choose this piece of Wagyu A5 as your last meal. Which one is it? Choose one.
If I had to choose one
you have
of
to
these,
choose one, yeah. Which one would you choose?
probably I'm going to choose. Maybe Toro.
Toro, huh? So this is Hero's choice. It's so hard, guys. I don't know if you've ever been stuck with kind of decision making.
But also, how just eat straight, or just
However you want it.
Sushi.
Your last meal on Earth is going to be
If
this.
it's going to be sushi, definitely I take the Toro.
No, it depends. You can have it prepared anyway. You're gonna have one famous chef prepared for you, and he's gonna prepare it exactly the way you love it.
Okay.
This can be sushi. This could be sushi. This could be, we're gonna try different ways, obviously, but have it either way.
Because this one, but both of them have many type of different way to you can cook. But if I can just grill a little bit, I
Yeah, just torch this one. Yeah. So you haven't told me specifically. Now you would choose the beef if you want to torch it. Look, you would torch this one for sure. Maybe put some sushi rice underneath it. This one you can just also have it sushi if you want, but raw, not torched. Which one would you choose?
It's just a torch.
Either one. No, I'm just saying you have to choose one. It can be prepared any way you want. You have one to choose from. The last meal on this earth.
But be honest opinion. But be honest opinion.
You want a cheeseburger?
No, I don't need to get the both of that.
What?
I don't need the both.
You don't need both?
No.
You're not going to get both. You only get to choose one, Hiro.
No, I mean.
You choose one.
If I need to choose, if I must.
Your
choose
last
one,
meal. Someone tells you
I
have
think
one more.
I still go for the tuna.
Okay, all right.
Because I have a reason why I go. For
You have a
tuna.
reason why? What can we?
Because I prefer very honest opinion. I'm, when I was young, this fatty content, the Toro or Wagyu, I can eat a lot, very enjoy that. But when it's getting old, right, I prefer more like red meats, the tuna or even the beef. I like a regular ribeye or New York steak or filet mignon. So if if you say red meat tuna here, right? Definitely I take this one. Because when I was little, my parents brought me to the sushi restaurant. So even I don't know what it is, right? I always eating tuna, they say.
Okay.
Always eating tuna. So I think the last meal, I back to the regular tuna.
Okay. All right, Hiro. So this is your choice. I think for me.
So still I want to choose the tuna.
All right.
Yeah.
This is Hiro's choice. Me, I'm going to choose a beef. I'm a beef lover.
I know you're a beef person.
Yeah, a little torch, a little salt, and we're done. So, all right, Hiro. Well, we're going to do a tasting, and we're going to try and compare the both. Let's see.
Yeah, today I'm going to do very simple, just a slice. One is eat by raw.
Yes.
Soy sauce and wasabi, and then sea salt only.
Okay.
And another one that torch.
Okay. All right, let's begin, Hiro.
Yep.
Let your hand lower. Let your hand lower. Yeah, try that again. A little more.
The beef?
Yeah. Lower, lower. Hiro-san, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
This looks so beautiful
Yeah.
and amazing. Okay.
Yeah, each piece I'm gonna do one straight to eat, only the salt. Yeah, this one I go with the soy sauce. Right?
Okay.
So one is a straight, one is a soy sauce, one is a straight, one is soy sauce.
Okay.
It's the same way in this one too.
Same way. All right, let's
Yes.
go. I'm going to
Okay.
follow you.
Okay, first I'm gonna do Toro, only the salt.
Toro on the salt.
Only salt.
Okay. Mm.
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 Mm. And then this one, I'm gonna
That is
use
so good.
little bit to. I use a little bit of wasabi. Anyway, the soy sauce.
That is also good. The fat content on this piece of Toro is amazing. It is so good. You could actually, instead of using soy sauce, just use salt. Just as enjoyable.
Mm.
Mm.
And then now, beef.
There's something about Toro, the tuna fat, that is so amazing.
Mm.
It's hard to describe. Okay, so beef, just salt only, right?
Yeah, salt only. You can put the wasabi too.
This
if
is
you want
basically
to.
just raw beef.
Okay.
A little salt. Mm-hmm. So it doesn't melt in your mouth as much as a Toro does. Toro just melts immediately.
Good.
Well, that's true. Some wasabi in there. Same thing. Still melts in your mouth. Of course, not like the Toro does, but still really good. Flavor is not as much, as torched.
No. Tochido. Tuna. Toro.
Torched Toro. Hold on 1 second. Just hold that like that. No, hold it regular like this. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Okay, Hiro-san, enjoy.
Yeah.
Bloody salted Toro. So there, definitely you taste the more the fishy flavor. Not that it's fishy, but the fish flavor. Just with that little bit of a torch. I think I prefer the just without torched. It's with soy sauce. It's because once you torch it, it gives it that taste and the flavor. I like the texture, but I think with Toro, I don't think Toro should be torched, in my opinion. You know? Not at all.
Okay, now torch the beef.
Torched beef. Okay, enjoy. With a little salt. Indicates definitely. I think this should be torched because that brings out some of the flavor in the oils. Add some texture, not just eating kind of like beef fat. Definitely the soy sauce.
Toro, I prefer no torch.
Yeah, I agree. Toro should not be torched. You can use actually a little salt, which is nice. Even just salt by itself, you know, with that on a little sea salt on top, or even light soy sauce, you know, that's fine. And what about the Wagyu? What do you like?
Wagyu, I like to actually enjoy the both too, but with the soy sauce.
But with torched, right?
Without the torch is okay to me too.
Oh, really? Okay.
Kind of.
So my preference was, of course, torched. Excuse me. My preference is the O-Toro by itself. Maybe even a little salt is fine because that gives you a little texture on the top. And then with the beef, lightly torched with some salt on top. That brings out the flavors.
This is kind of thinner, you know, more like a carpaccio.
Yeah.
So seems okay. Of course, if you want to eat a steak, of course you need to cook it. Right?
Sure.
But
But so good. The meat was so tender. The fish, let me tell you, O-Toro, my goodness, the fat content and how it melts in your mouth. And it's not greasy. It's not greasy like the grease, the oil from the beef. It just melts in your mouth. It is so good, and it's a must try. Guys, any questions? Check out Riviera Seafood Club. You get a discount if you use Chef Hero 15 and Chef Hero 35. Look at the discount codes below or in the description box. Thank you for them for sending this to us. Hiro-san, I can't wait to do this again, maybe with some other recipes.
Sure.
All right. Hope you guys liked the video. See you soon.
See you next time.